Toyota Aygo 2020 inside. Handbrake, gearbox, reverse neutral eco driving. There is a plus minus for manual, which we're not using. Now front window demister, that's the one. Rear window demister, that's the one. Mirror adjustment is here. So if you want to adjust the left door mirror, press that L and then use this here. If you want to adjust right door mirror, press R and again adjust the mirror. In the middle is neutral. Now behind the steering wheel on the right we've got wipers. So if you pull towards you, the front wipers is working and the window is washed. If you push down, every 10 seconds ish the wiper is working. Push down more, one more level, is working all the time but not too fast, and one more is for heavy rain. Switch it off, neutral. Then if you wanna wash the rear wipers, if you want to wash the rear window, and then so when we push there, the water on the rear windscreen is going on, and if we want to just wipe them in here, switch off, twist it on a 0. Now lights, on the left behind your steering wheel is on a 0. This one is the side lights, dipped headlights. We've got the lights in here. How will you switch your headlights from dipped to main beam? So from 0. Headlights dipped, main beam push. We've got the blue lights on in here. Neutral, it's gone, and if we pull towards us, it's as long as you hold them. And switch off. Now how will you switch on your rear fog lights? So that's the fog lights in here. But the fog lights, to activate the fog lights, first you need to dipped headlights on. Dipped headlights is on, and then fog lights. Fog light is on. Switch them off. It's gone. And switch the headlights off. I will use the fog lights when visibility is reduced below 100 meters, and I switch them off when the visibility improves. Now window open is on the door. Passenger.